What is good, YouTube? I think I've blackened everything out. I've crossed everything out. Can't see my address. Can't see my address. Sweet, sweet. Don't want any of you guys stalking me, mate. Unless you're good looking. Maybe you could stalk me. Oh, I gotta stop swearing. I was supposed to have a whole bunch of packages come, but it was a public holiday yesterday. Of course, it is grand final week this week, which is the equivalent to, I guess, the Super Bowl in America. Go the Tigers. So yeah, got a barrack for the old Melbourne team. Sydney, who cares about Sydney, mate? Sydney's plastic, mate.
Plastics.
Exactly how do you mean?
There's a great future in plastics.
Melbourne's where the heart and soul of Australia is, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, we're getting sidetracked. I've got a couple of bricks of cocaine here. Just kidding, it's heroin. Worst bloke. Alright, I'm gonna do my first unboxing, and I know it's gonna be dodgy AF, but hey, I'm trying not to swear on YouTube, you know what I mean? They're gonna bar my videos, mate. No one wants that shit. Man, I'll get better over time. Alright, let's open this first box. Try not to cut myself with this Japanese blade. What do we got in this one? It's from Apple. Okay, there's a piece of paper in there that says, "Yos, a shit ton of money." This is the SIM card, which is gonna go in the old device, and it's not what you think, but you probably know from the thumbnail and title. Booyah! Got the iPad Pro. I don't know. I just needed to do thumbnails, and I wanted to watch some videos about DaVinci Resolve, about the editing software that I was using. But that's the first thing. It's the iPad Pro. Nothing really too exciting. Come on, mate. I'm sick of your shit. There we go. Oh, there she is, mate. And she's a beaut. I hate YouTubers that peel the plastic off slow, and they're like, "Oh, I got my new iPad, it peeled the plastic off slow." You know what, mate? No one wants to see that shit, mate. Ooh, this is nice. This is a nice size. So thin. I've actually never held one of these without a cover on it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. What else comes in the box? Paperwork, not going into that shit. 18 watt charging brick, that's pretty cool. And USB Type-C to USB Type-C. This is how the phones should be. The iPhone Pro phones, even the 11. The 11 should come with the 18 watt charging brick instead of the 5. 5's old technology. And it should be coming with USB Type-C to USB Type-C. So Apple, get your shit together, mate. You know what I mean? Get with the times. Samsung's been doing it. You guys put it on your bloody laptops. Even the old iPads got it. Put it on the phones. This is going in the cupboard. Won't be using that. And that is the new iPad Pro with the 18 watt charging brick. Whoop-de fucking do.
Whoop-de-doo! What does it all mean, Basil?
Now, this one. This actually looks like a kilo of smack. Ain't you reckon? Look at this shit. It's like it just fell out of a fucking plane. This just looks like it just came from the Golden Triangle, you know what I mean? Let's hope that this is what I think it is, and it actually isn't something that could get me in trouble. Those days are over, mate. But yo, I've been waiting to get this for a while now. This has been in my watch list, my eBay store for probably about a year or so now. So of course it is the Deity V-Mic D3 Pro. That is a crazy funny name, but this is one of the best microphones in the game that YouTubers are using. So I have the Rode Micro already, and at the moment I'm using the Rode Wireless Go pucks, which is they're fantastic. I actually think they're really good. But this is more of a run and gun type of situation. It's got its own battery inside, and this as well is USB Type-C, because a lot of companies are getting with the times. So Apple, what did I just say? But enough talk, let's just unbox it. I'm sure a lot of you don't even give a shit about microphones, so we got some of the paperwork, which is probably the warranty. Put that to the side. And there's nothing else in the box except for this wonderful case. Alright, so that's the Deity. And here it is. Silica gel. Don't need that shit. And we got, what do we got? A couple of cables. I guess this goes from the microphone into the camera. This is for charging, which is USB Type-C, USB Type-A, so that's for charging. That's it there. Shotgun microphone from Deity. Shotties are good, mate. Shotties are good.
Yeah, shotties are good, mate.
So yeah, just wanted to share this little unboxing with you guys. Nothing too special really. Like I said, I had a whole bunch of products that I really wanted to unbox with you guys, and I just wanted to share a lot of these unboxing, you know, these things with you guys, and a lot of it just didn't come. The Deity microphone is here finally, which is fantastic. I couldn't be happier about it. The new iPad Pro, which is here. So yeah, you know, that's the situational right here at the at OGtalks Studios. I'm gonna have to set this iPad up. I'm really happy about this microphone. I'm actually happier about the microphone than I am about the iPad. But you know, the iPad's gonna come in handy. I think it's you know, it's just another tool in this room, you know, so excluding myself, another tool in the room. Oh,
Idiot!
I did a little unboxing a little bit earlier today. I guess I rushed into it a little bit, and the footage is a little bit blurry. I took some photos yesterday around the neighborhood, just trying to get a YouTube banner happening, and my camera settings were a little bit out, but you guys don't want to hear that shit, so I wanted to reshoot a little bit of this stuff. Yes, I am clean shaven. So first I want to talk about the giveaway. The giveaway is going to happen at 100 subscribers. So as soon as I hit 100 subs, there will be a giveaway. I just looked up the item on Amazon. It's selling for $296. So yeah, the only way to win that is to be subscribed. So maybe it's time to, you know, if you've forgotten your password, maybe it's time to reset the password, or maybe it's just time to start a YouTube account. You know, let me help you, you help me, and I'll help you. So the only way that you're going to be able to win this prize, which is worth almost $300, is to be subscribed. So please subscribe. So yeah, in Australia, the football finals are happening this weekend. They're actually in, I think they should start pretty soon. This is our version of the Super Bowl, so the whole country pretty much stops to watch the football finals. Personally, I'm not really interested in the football, but I am going for the Richmond Tigers because that's a Melbourne team opposed to Greater Western Sydney, GWS, I think that's what they're called, which is a Sydney team, and we all know that Melbourne is better than Sydney. Nah man, Sydney's dope. I used to live up in Sydney for 5 years, so yeah, I'm just going for the Tigers, so go Richmond. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. You could have been anywhere else in the world, but you chose to be with the Drizzlax, with the Big D. And you know, I hope the Tigers win today, and I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope everyone's safe out there. Don't drink too much booze and be a douchebag. No one wants that shit, mate. And there's no point getting arrested. Have an awesome day. You know, the jackals are circling, mate. You don't want to get in trouble with those blokes, mate. They chuck you in a white room. They give you bloody shitty sandwiches and an apple for lunch, mate. It's horrible, mate. So behave yourself. I hope everyone's good out there. And till next time, it's been your boy, Big D, Shaven Haven, in the house, Arrivederci.